Can I put the lights, the thing on for the stand?
No, it's not
Right.
on. Hi guys.
No, I don't want. Good.
Oh.
You want it?
Cheers. So I'm having this margarita and having this beer.
Yes.
Can we light?
You.
Yeah.
You. Better stand up.
Yeah.
If somebody goes there, you cannot shout.
I should get that.
Tell it next year.
No, he will.
The guy singing downstairs. Will you sing collectively? They
At
don't,
least you're trying to make
I
money,
know, they
no?
don't go to school, but they know English. Right? You gone?
Don't very fast.
It's hot over there. The second in the line. The second in the line.
Second din ka daw.
Panglaw Bohol. Panglaw, Coma Bohol.
It's not supposed to be more panglaw.
Panglaw is kind of, Panglo is like a city in the heart. Why put Panglo capital on?
Just it's come up.
Yeah, you don't need it. Comma, Panglo, comma, this is comma.
You want to get massage knife?
No, you can get over here, but if you can make video.
No,
Are you wearing all these clothes? Yeah.
no. I'm not talking about there.
Oh, no, I'm okay. Like I said, I want place.
What is that? This line. This line here like white. What is that? Did you see this
Go over
one?
there. Go over there. Before you're gonna say.
Bek, balik mo dia. Thank you. Which one you want to sit? Here? I sit there.
Unless you want this side. Whichever side.
No, doesn't matter.
중간중간에 올라오면 생일이고 오더라고. 중간중간에 올라오면.
Oh, you're only putting dry wash. That is taking this year.
I know, right? This one.
Number eight.
우리 근데 밖에서 안 먹는
$6.42.
over here. Try this place. That we got.
You need to walk more a little bit there.
By the Hinan.
Huh?
Hinan.
Yeah.
After here.
Just keep moving.
뭐가 반짝반짝반짝 하는
Because the devil is popular. But they happy the way we are. We're worried about walking, we just take a trek. We like this. Let's see this place is busy. The people coming.
Wala, you're moving there? Uy, careful. I'm holding it, but still keep moving. Alam mo, hindi yung piliting. Hindi ko ba? One more, madam. I feel like in the pool, you know? It's chilly.
Then we can buy it. Right now, the heat. Let's check in the table. Shaking the whole board. Let's sit inside.
The only thing I don't like is boring.
Huh?
Boring.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, after 6, there's nobody at the beach like this. There's no music or party. Should be a place. It's not that we're gonna come again.
Sometimes I say it, why when you watch in the video, you look interesting.
In the town over there. Not right here. You know the people who live here, they know this place. It's all touristic.
Paano na ako? Teka, basta.
The frozen.
Crossing lang.
galing. Did, no Wi-Fi. I can send them.
No, you have.
Huh?
You have now.
Wi-Fi? Ah,
From my phone, you connect. Hotspot. You want? You can order it out, pick up, and that's it. Then take it home, and then you're gonna put it bowl. That could you?
both. Good big coffee. You can. Come back here. Oh, fine. Look at this.
Ay, jadi frozen.
No, frozen.
Ah, frozen mo gusto mo?
Yeah.
Oo, frozen. Hanggang na ko siya.
It's already done. Okay, it's done. Already done. They cannot use it.
Hindi maka-frozen na mo ang kuan mo dumam ka ng blender.
Okay lang.
Sorry kayo mga.
Okay lang. Cheers, guys. Right.
Eh?
Right.
Why?
No, I just
No.
want it.
It's good. Actually, later you can find out. You know, maybe.
No, you don't drink too much.
No, I don't.
Otherwise, you're gonna be lazy.
Yeah.
That is the more one.
It's another beautiful day. Where are you going to go in the sun? Tell me that.
Baby hair. Oh my God, the time dito yung sweats ay feel like I want to jump in the water. Can I? Go to the ocean dyan?
You don't have nothing. You're going to take off your clothes. It'll be viral.
Just like this.
I don't know if it's even allowed at this time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Come go in the pool when you go back.
Yeah.
So we leave around 8 o'clock,
Yeah.
something like that.
Tomorrow I sit out. Tomorrow?
Sit there.
Ah.
Useful. What is breakfast?
What is it going?
Huh?
I'm eating either rice or sandwich as long as with protein. How about you? Wala We can get tomorrow if you want. Then you can choose.
Yeah, we'll have to do that.
Figaro?
Let's see. If we cannot work, we'll just take a try.
Probably, yeah.
Figaro is the same thing, you know. Let's I want to try something different. I want to try this one.
Okay, then we'll get the try tomorrow. What's up? So what?
Figaro is the same thing.
Then you can just make a video tomorrow morning there. Daytime. You call it just
So again, like I said, Figaro is the same sandwich. You can find out how much the sandwiches are. This one, how much the sandwich is?
I will need to check that.
Okay.
Like 2,200 something.
Okay.
That's the highest.
Go to over here.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we can take it home, back in the hotel. No?
Yeah.
And then if you want Dorian for final time.
Oh my
Like
god.
that.
At
Then
that
we go.
time, I'm gonna get 3. One more.
Really? Don't do that.
No, I'm gonna go to the other one. Which is
All look here. And then the one that comes in.
You didn't have massage this time, na?
Yeah, what?
Massage?
Probably do. Probably. That's that. I don't know. Probably. Slowly could do it. Huh? Or who knows? But yeah, in the streets they're going to be. Yes, and all these stores will be open. Till 10 or 11.
Actually, tomorrow we can go to the cave. Because if we go to Dolanto, that's not include. Yeah, can go tomorrow. What we gonna do tomorrow to us? After breakfast.
Let's check. Yeah. How far is it?
Probably 30 minutes.
Right?
Yeah, you call this here. 250 to 300 if you get the planting there. So you see that park.
If you want, then you can just buy 2 sandwiches and make a 40.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry. Let's see.
You want more?
No. I'm good. I want to eat.
That order was just one?
Huh?
That
Me, I'm good.
order just one. So if I order just one, it's the same price anyway.
Very simple.
The buy one take one.
Yeah.
Can't be half price.
Oh, if you want one more now,
Just one lang pa.
you'll have to drink 2. Drink beer.
No, it's gonna make you bloated.
Drink 2 more if you can. Yeah? I'm quite comfortable. I see you.
Wait, what time it is? Let's share the time. Yeah.
We have, man.
Okay, I will get one.
No, but do you really have to drink? You can drink wine or something anyway. So why you want to drink now when you can buy wine or whatever you want later and then drink later?
Right then.
How much you gonna drink? That's what I mean to say.
Yeah. I will drink.
This is only to enjoy here. You know, not to get drunk. Yesterday was okay, but then it's okay. I mean, for me, my case is different because it's very sugary drinks.
Yeah.
My case is different. But you already had 2. And if you want to drink more, oh, this is 7-Eleven, you can go this way. Right?
They have the other one there. Oh yeah, we get that
This
chicken
way.
anyway.
Yeah. Same place. But I don't want to do drink. So we hear another 4 5 days. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow I can. Coffee there.
Yeah. We'll buy something then.
Yeah. We'll buy something. Yeah, but if you want to drink beer or wine, then. Hmm?
One question.
But I had
I drink coffee and I drink like I eat banana with fruit. So because I drink this, I'm sure that I'm gonna enjoy the pool.
no, if I say don't drink too much, it's okay. If you want, then there is okay. Yeah, no. I don't enjoy, it's okay. If I'm going to do something that is okay. I don't need even to drink that. Eh?
Shit, it's about
Yeah.
maybe we can go now.
Yeah, there you go. We just walk, we don't have to go back. You know, just walk around, let's see what they have.
Yeah.
Let's walk around. You want? Let's go.
Yeah.
If you walk, then maybe the breeze.
Yeah. Pambimpo, isa. B from ice cream and pizza from Vanilla Sky.
And then let's go.
Can we play?
Wait.
Yeah. Hi, Jay. What? It's alive anyway. We are at Alona Beach. It's live. Okay. So we are here at this place. It's called, what is this place? I forgot the name. Escape. Yeah. The name of this bar is Escape.
This is it.
Yeah. Actually, we are in the second floor. Thanks for showing, please. We can't go. Why you can't go? Maybe in the future you want to visit here in Panglao. This is Alona Beach, Bohol, Panglao. Actually, this is our second day here. So we're gonna be staying here for 6 days. Tomorrow we will be, I'm not sure yet, but we probably gonna go to the cave. It's a waterfall caves that I want to visit. But we are not sure yet. Probably we're gonna go tomorrow because tomorrow we don't have planned yet. the next day we're gonna do the land tour, which is we're gonna say the chocolate hills
No,
and
not next day, Monday. But Sunday we have to move.
okay,
from one
so
hotel to
it's
the next.
it's probably Monday. We're gonna visit the chocolate hills and Lubbock River. Like we're gonna ride the boat, like floating boat with restaurant with buffet already. No money, no time. Oh my god. He said, thanks for showing. Places we can't go. No money, no time. What you can say about that?
The what?
No money, no time.
No money, no time. Well, most people have all the time in the world, but no money.
Yeah.
Well, you have no money, you have to start saving, I guess.
Even I don't have money.
Yeah, you just have to start saving. And
Yeah.
you can do it.
Yeah, it's all about saving and work then save. Like
Cut down your
yeah,
expenses.
cut down expenses. Like if you want to do something, you want to visit a place, then you need to save for that. You need to prepare. In the Philippines, Jay. Hi everyone, guys, you can ask something. I got this flower, it's cute. You can put something like this. Can Javi sponsor me? Jay said if you can sponsor him.
Who is that, Jay?
Jay, yeah. He already sponsor me. Have you been here in the Philippines, Jay? You should try to visit. Most of the expat visit here in the Philippines, they fell in love. Like they don't want to come back anymore to their country.
Can you this one edit or no?
What do you mean edit?
Yeah, your English is very wrong.
Oh. Yeah. Actually, we're just chilling here in front of the beach. The good thing I like this bar is we are in the second floor and then you can see the nice view of this beach. But if I would choose between Alona Beach and Boracay, I would like Boracay.
Boracay is still the best.
Yeah.
You know, we've been to a lot of these places. We've been to Palawan, Boracay, Alona. What else they have when it comes to
Palawan.
beaches?
Oh.
No, we've been to Palawan. Yeah, but still, if you want nightlife,
Yes.
Boracay is still the best. But if you want to enjoy the, let's say, the white sand,
Still
ocean,
Boracay.
whatever, Boracay is still number one, I would say. But
Yeah.
if you don't like crowds,
If you want to be alone.
no, if you don't like, no, it's not alone. But if you don't like crowd, like not too
if
many
you
people.
want to be calm, it's like you just want to chill.
Yeah, then Alona is okay.
Yes,
I mean, they
because
have,
it's
you know.
kind of quiet place. Because compared to Boracay, guys, they have like fire dancing when it's come to nightlife, and they also have like like disco or band at the beach area. Over here, actually this is our second day, and I didn't see any fire dance yet.
Yeah, they have somewhere.
And
I don't know.
there's no ban actually, but I don't know because in the video I saw some of the YouTuber they upload videos that they are enjoying like nightlife at the beach, like it has the band or like enjoying their life. But then I didn't see here in Panglao. I
We
didn't.
need to ask people, no?
Where is that place? Maybe we miss it. So I think I will choose Boracay than Panglao because Panglao, like right now, is kind of quiet. Like it is what it is.
A lot of Koreans, full of Koreans.
Most of the time, it is Korean.
All Koreans over here. You
Yeah.
see very few white people,
Yep.
no Asians or Indians. You don't see Chinese.
You're lucky. Thank you so much, Chi. Been there twice, but only Manila. So all for nightlife. Yeah. So I guess if you like just chilling and nice view with the beach, yeah, Panglao is a nice place to visit if you are not in the nightlife. If you are not in the crowded place. So Panglao, it's a place to chill with a nice view. You should visit some places here. If you just see the Manila, I guess you should try also the other place in the Philippines, like Boracay or Panglao. Manila is too crowded. And also the price. What do you think about the price compare Boracay and Panglao? Like we are talking about the beach area here.
I don't know, I noticed, well, maybe slightly cheaper, but the hotels, everything is high.
Yeah.
You know, compared to what you get, what they give you.
Compared to Boracay.
Well, anywhere really, because when you compare the hotels on average,
We are talking
average
about
hotel
just
is,
Boracay. We are talking just the beach, close to the beach area. Like some of the hotel that's close to the beach area, which is between Panglao to Boracay.
well, Boracay has a lot more choices.
So that's why it's much cheaper.
Much cheaper, really? Boracay? No way.
Oh yeah?
Boracay is very expensive. What are you talking about?
The first time that we went
We're talking
there.
about hotels. We're not talking about activities, okay?
Oh yeah.
We're talking about hotel. No,
Yeah.
they're expensive over there.
So Panglao is much cheaper than Boracay.
There's no such thing as much cheaper again.
Okay.
It's slightly cheaper maybe, but we haven't been to Boracay in 2 years. Maybe things have gone up over there further.
Yeah.
I don't know. But no, nothing
But you
is
know
cheap.
that
These hotels are not cheap.
the activity here is expensive than Boracay.
Yeah. No, that's what I'm saying. Nothing is cheap. The massage, they ask you 800 peso for an hour. Then they're going to say, okay, 600. Anywhere else, even in Manila, I can get it for 300, 400 an hour.
Yeah.
So it depends.
There's something that is expensive here, and there's something also that is cheaper. Like some of the food is cheaper than the other place, but the activities like parasailing over here expensive, 2,100.
That's
In
what, did you
Boracay?
see anybody parasailing? I didn't see any.
I saw
Boracay,
some
you see a lot of
that-
activities people are into. A lot.
Probably some of the
No, in
Korean
Boracay, they have this area where they launch these boats and things. It's always crowded.
Yeah.
A lot of activities over there in Boracay. But
Well-
you need to find the right guide or the right person because they're all going to charge you or ask you more.
You need to keep asking.
Yeah, just get an idea. If somebody says 1,000, just say okay. Keep
Yeah.
walking. Somebody next is going to tell you 800 or whatever. That's how you find out.
Yeah, because in Boracay, as far as I know, the last time that I tried the parasailing, it's only 700 to 800. Same thing the.
But that was a long time ago again.
No, even the
Yeah?
helmet diving, same price the last time. It's just 2 years ago.
Okay.
Over here, this place, Panglao is smaller than Boracay anyway. So, and there's other beach also here that we didn't know. And it's a lot of resorts also. But when it's come to snorkeling or island hopping, I like here than Boracay.
Over here?
Yeah, because when you do snorkeling or feeding the fish, you can see the really big fish. Like
Over here.
yeah, in Balikasan Island. In Boracay, it's like just small fish really. Over here, you can see like big
But-
fish and the dolphin. You can see also the dolphin here. And the other one, the whale.
Whale.
Yeah. Yeah. There is here, but in Boracay, yeah.
Still, overall, Boracay is considered to be on the top of the list.
Yeah,
when
because
people check
everything
for-
is there. Like anything you want. About the food, it's a lot of choices. Like you can walk on the beach, and the beach area is more white than Boracay, more clean than Boracay. Well, you
Okay.
cannot compare this. This is just small islands anyway, just a small beach. But the first time that we came here, oh my God, that's really sad. That time when we came here, a lot of restaurants and bar been closed.
No, it was a very big typhoon.
Yeah.
So that's why it was very, very bad. Luckily, the place we stayed had a 24-hour generator and stuff. Otherwise, wherever you go, there was no drinking water, no gasoline, and no cash. All the ATMs ran out of money. Luckily, I carried cash with me, but I was like, oh, let me get some more. Went to a few ATMs, the lines were stretched all the way, and no money. They will say, oh, come back on Monday because maybe money gonna come from Manila. But the
Yeah.
lines were horrible, horrendous. And the same thing with the gas station. The lines were like stretching all the way. Remember? No gas. So
No
yeah,
gas,
it was,
no
it was
water,
very
no
bad.
electric.
The Lubbock River, the boat that we are planning to go on a cruise was all upside down in the river. Upside down.
Yeah.
So we cannot
That's
use
really
it.
sad. And the thing that make me more sad is there's also a lot of people died on well, Lubbock River.
We saw there was so much water in people's houses. They had all their belongings outside when the typhoon was over. All their belongings were outside on the street to dry.
Yeah.
Yes, and it was like they said the water reached up to the second level, I think, the second story house, right? The second floor. I mean, it's that bad. But we saw a lot of trees on the road. The roads were shut down for a couple of days. It was bad. But everything is back again. I mean, people over here are so resilient. They a lot of
Yeah.
patience. People.
I'm happy that this is starting.
Yeah.
They already moving on. Like they survive. Everything is open now, and I can see a lot of Koreans right now.
Yeah.
It's
A lot of.
been.
There's a lot of
it's
people
all-
here, though.
All the hotel is booked.
Yes, there's a lot of people here on this island over here. So we cannot say that this isn't, the Boracay is better or what. It's like I've been to Boracay 4 times. She's been there 3 times. So
Yeah.
obviously same other people, if they already been to Boracay, they want to try another island, another beach. So it's okay, yes. But if you're really into nightlife, you want drinking and partying and live music, live band, then personally I think Boracay.
Yeah.
Then it's Boracay. The price compared, probably the same. Probably when it comes to hotels and food, probably maybe a little bit more here or there, depends. But because it's very commercialized, Boracay is very commercialized. There used to be a lot of Chinese tourists before, but now the government over here is kind of clamping on the pogos. So I heard a lot of the Chinese are not, they're not coming as much as they were coming in drones before. So, but otherwise, yeah.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
nice.
they're both nice places. There's a lot of people here, by the way. A lot of hotels are, because we only staying 3 nights in this hotel and we're planning 3 nights in another hotel. I could not get a place in a decent hotel for Sunday. Right?
Yeah.
For Sunday.
It's all fully booked.
All fully booked.
Every hotel that we check, they're all fully booked.
And then Monday again, because a lot of people come here for the weekend and then they leave on Sunday. So Monday, Tuesday again is available.
Yeah.
So yes. It's just that we don't notice too much of nightlife on the beach alone. Maybe on the inside somewhere else they have those places with, Okay. But check it out, baby. Check it out what he says. Huh? Yeah, I only ordered 1 beer.
Ayun na, nagkuha migman eh.
Huh?
No, nami peanuts.
What? Whatever.
Didn't put the peanuts.
Oh. That's another 60 pesos. Then?
Yeah, but it's just 3 something, yeah.
Ah,
Just 3 something. If I'm kind of this, it's just a bee.
maybe they will later. They'll know, like when we walk.
You get a chance to them.
Oh yeah.
You guys have fun and drink for me. Okay, Jay.
Actually, we're done drinking.
Yeah.
For now, we are done.
And we are going to we're just gonna buy food for our dinner. We're just gonna do
So how much is this now? Well, she can bring the change. That's fine.
389.
Oh, okay.
Thanks, Jay, and good night also.
We're just gonna walk around at the beach, check some other stores, see what's in the neighborhood.
Yeah, we're going to buy pizza for our dinner. Just take out and we'll take to our hotel and we're just gonna chill in the pool.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do live again later.
Yeah. In this hotel, there is no television.
No
We have no
TV,
TV.
no bar, just music. So yeah. And it's very quiet.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys,
Very
thank you
quiet.
so much for watching. And see you another one. Bye guys. I'm gonna end this live.